Are you counting on your website's performance to grow your business? Have you used Google Analytics before? Does it make your head spin and you don't know where to turn? You need SmartBi. Our website performance analysis dashboard tracks the progress of your online presence in an interface you'll easily understand. The dashboard is divided into 3 sections, which allow you to measure the performance of your website by analyzing the different sources that generate your traffic and also how users interact with it. The first section at the top contains the filters. The filters allow you to configure the dashboard in a few clicks. Once you've made your choices, the dashboard will present the information in 2 separate sections. The first section of the dashboard displays the 6 key indicators revealing the health of your website. Each box also includes a growth rate, allowing you to compare your results for the same period in the previous year. If you're not an expert, don't worry. Our tooltips can help you see more clearly by explaining any unfamiliar terms. The next section goes into more detail with graphical representation of the data that you can also interact with. SmartBi offers you a suite of analytical and tracking dashboards that give you a quick and centralized access to all your activities in the digital universe. Our goal: to highlight the true impact of all the actions you take. You will obtain superpowers without having to be a citizen of Krypton. For more information, contact us. We're not radioactive.